Hello everyone, welcome to Tungal online classes. Let's have next problem. Differentiate x power sin x plus sin x power x with respect to x, right? Differentiate x power sin x plus sin x power x with respect to x. Function to the power function plus some function to the power functions. Once sum or difference of function to the power function expression is given, then don't take log directly. Why? Because log of m plus n is not defined, means it is not equal to log m into n, right? Log of sum of two functions is not defined and it is not equal to log m plus log n, right? Log of sum of two functions is not defined and log of difference of two functions also not defined. For that reason, don't take log directly, right? How to differentiate this function? Take given expression as y, because it is purely x only, plus sin x power x. If I take log on both the sides, then right side we don't have any standard form. Then we get log of m plus n form. For that we don't have any formula. For that reason, what you do is consider first function as some other variable u and second function as p. Let u is equal to x power sin x. Take first function as u and second function as p. Then our expression becomes, what is y value now? Y is equal to u plus v only, right? Because our consideration is first expression is nothing but u, second expression is nothing but p. So given expression becomes u plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx equal to, what is u differentiation? U differentiation with respect to x is du by dx. P differentiation with respect to x is dv by dx. Take this as equation number 1. Now because u and v are functions of x, not constants. Both u and v are functions of x, so their derivatives are du by dx and dv by dx. Now separately differentiate u with respect to x and v with respect to x, right? Consider u is equal to x power sin x, right? Look at RHS. What is there in RHS? X power sin x is there. X power sin x means function to the power function only. Already you know how to differentiate whenever function to the power function is given, right? Already you know how to differentiate whenever function to the power function is given, right? Clearly right hand side function to the power function expression is there. So taking log on both the sides. For this expression we can take log, but for this expression don't take log directly. Why? Because log of sum of two functions or log of difference of two functions not defined, right? For that reason separately take log, then differentiate, right? Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides, log u is equal to log of x power sin x, right? Log u is equal to log of x power sin x. Then same procedure only. Log u is equal to log of m power n formula, log of sin x into log x. Now differentiate. It is just like log y is equal to only, instead of y we have u. Log u differentiation 1 divided by u into du by dx. U is function of x, so its derivative is 1 by u into du by dx. If it is not function of x, then its derivative is 0. If u is a constant, then its derivative is 0. In this case, u is not a constant, right? U is function of x, so its derivative log differentiation 1 divided by into after log inner function u, its differentiation du by dx. Right hand side use product rule, it is first function and second function sin x divided by x, because sin x remains as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x, plus log x remains as it is, differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Our requirement is du by dx. Du by dx means u cross multiplication, then it will be sin x divided by x plus cos x into log x. Du by dx equal to, what is u value? X power sin x, x power sin x, sin x by x, its value is not 1, plus cos x into log x. This is our du by dx. Our requirement du by dx as well as dv by dx. So after this, find dv by dx value. Right? After this, take v and differentiate. What is v value here? Our consideration v is nothing but sin x power x, sin x power x. Again function to the power function means take log on both sides, differentiate, right? Taking log on both the sides, and taking log, it will be log v is equal to log of sin x power x. So log v equal to x into log sin x, right? Why? Because log of m power n form. Now differentiate with respect to x only. On differentiation, it will be 1 by v into dv by dx, that's equal to, right hand side use product rule. X one function, log sin x another function, x into 1 divided by sin x into cos x, log derivative inner function derivative, plus log sin x as it is, differentiation of x is 1 only, then dv by dx equal to cos x by sin x is cot x, cross multiplication v in bracket x into cot x plus log sin x. Lastly, dv by dx equal to, replace that v value. What is our v value? Sin x power x. Sin x power x into, in bracket x into cot x plus log sin x. Take this as equation number 3. and take this as equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1, 2 and 3. Directly you get dy by dx only. Equation number 1 is du by dx plus dv by dx is nothing but dy by dx. Already we have dv by dx and dv by dx and du by dx. Now from 1, 2, 3, after this write from equation number 1, 2, 3, from equation number 1, 2 and 3. From equation number 1, 2 and 3, from 1 to 3, what is dy by dx here? From 1 to 3, directly I will write dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but du by dx. Already we have du by dx value, that is x power sin x in bracket sin x by x plus cos x into log x. This is our du by dx plus, as it is, replace dv by dx value, that is sin x power x in bracket x into cot x plus log sin x. This is our required dy by dx. This is our required dy by dx. Once function to the power function plus or minus function to the power function is given, separately take u and v, differentiate, then add, right? Next, differentiate sin x power cos x plus tan x power x square. Function to the power function plus function to the power function. Directly differentiation is not possible. Let's take given expression as y in the first step, sin x power cos x plus tan x power x square. First consideration, take given expression as y. After that, in the next step, directly taking log on both the sides, differentiating is not possible because log of sum of two functions is not defined. For that reason, our consideration again, let I will take first term as some u is equal to sin x power cos x, and I will take second term as v, it is also function of x, tan x power x square, right? After taking u and v, that expression becomes, it becomes y is equal to, first term I will replace with u and second term I will replace with v. Now differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation we get dy by dx. dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, right? Take this as equation number 1. After consideration we get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now our intention is to find du by dx and dv by dx, right? Now consider u, because we need to find du by dx, so take u What is our u? U is sin x power cos x. Already you know how to differentiate whenever function to the power function is given. Taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. And taking log, we get log u is equal to log of sin x power cos x. And taking log, we get log of m power n form, right? Log of m power n means it will be log u is equal to cos x into log sin x. Then 1 divided by u into du by dx. If u is there, then it is du by dx. Y is there, then dy by dx. That's equal to right hand side use product rule. Cos x remains as it is. Log differentiation 1 divided by sin. After that inner function sin is there, its differentiation cos. Plus log sin x as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now our requirement du by dx. So du by dx equal to u cross multiplication in bracket cos x by sin x, that is cot x only, cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. Therefore du by dx equal to, what is our u value? Sin x power cos x in bracket cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. This is du by dx, and take this as equation number 1. After finding du by dx, find dv by dx, right? After getting du by dx, find dv by dx. Already v is given. What is our v value? Tan x power x square, right? Again it is function to the power function. So taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. And taking log, it will be log p is equal to log of tan x power x square. After that log v is equal to x square into log tan x. Log of m power n formula n into log m. Log v is equal to, now differentiate, 1 by v into dv by dx. Right hand side use product rule. X square remains as it is. Log differentiation, log tan x differentiation, log differentiation 1 divided by into tan differentiation secant square plus log tan x as it is, x square differentiation 2x. Then dv by dx equal to cross multiplication p into x square secant square x divided by tan x plus 2x into log tan x, right? This is our dv by dx. Take this as equation number 3. Now from equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now look at equation number 1. Sorry, it is equation number 2 only. This is our equation number 1. Look at 1, 2 and 3. Then you get dy by dx. From 1 to 3, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx plus dv by dx. Replace these two values. Means sin x power cos x in bracket cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x plus dv by dx. Replace dv by dx value, that is tan x power x square in bracket x into secant square x plus 2x into log tan x. Sorry, here divided by tan x is there. This is our required dy by dx. Follow this procedure. Whenever function to the power function plus or minus function to the power function is given, sometimes they may give difference also. In such cases also same procedure, right? First find du by dx value, then dv by dx value, then add, you get required dy by dx, right? Next problem. Differentiate x plus 1 divided by x whole thing power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x, right? Differentiate with respect to x. X plus 1 by x whole thing power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x. In this case we have to differentiate with respect to x. Function, one function to the power another function is given. Plus is there, again function to the power one more function, means function to the power function plus function to the power function is given, means again same procedure only, right? Take, in the first step, take given expression as y x plus 1 by x whole thing power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x. Take the given expression as y. After this again consideration, take first term as u. What is our u value in this case? X plus 1 divided by x whole thing power x p is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x, right? Then again it becomes y is equal to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. Take this as equation number 1. After this consider u value and differentiate. Directly taking log is not possible. In this case directly taking log is not possible. Why? Because sum of two functions is given. Because log of sum or difference of functions is not defined. Consider u value. What is our u? U is x power, sorry, x plus 1 by x whole thing power x, and taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, Why? Because function to the power function is given. So log u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x whole thing power x. After that log of m power n formula, right? Log of m power n formula, then it will be x into log of x plus 1 by x. Now we can differentiate. Log u is equal to this value. Now differentiate 1 divided by u into du by dx. Right hand side it is first function and this is our second function. Use product rule. First function as it is differentiation of second function x plus 1 by x, log differentiation this expression into this function differentiation 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by x square. Log differentiation 1 divided by. After that inner function x is there, x differentiation 1 plus is there plus 1 divided by x differentiation by using 1 divided by x raised to n formula, it will be minus 1 divided by x square, so middle minus, plus log of x plus 1 by x as it is, differentiation of x is 1 only, then du by dx equal to cross multiplication u into here take LCM, denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator, then it will be x square divided by x square plus 1. After taking LCM, that denominator becomes in the numerator, x into x is x square, into he take LCM here, x square minus 1 divided by x square plus log of x plus 1 by x. Now x square get cancelled, then du by dx equal to what is u here, x plus 1 divided by x whole thing power x into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 divided by x. Take this as equation number 2. Already equation number 1 is there. After that consider v and differentiate with respect to x. Next consider v. Our v value is here x power 1 plus 1 divided by x. Again function to the power function. So taking log on both the sides and taking logarithm on both the sides. After that it becomes log v equal to log of x power 1 plus 1 by x, log of m power n form, so it will be log v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, right? 1 divided by v into dv by dx is equal to, use product rule, this is our first function, this is second function, 1 plus 1 divided by x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, right, plus log x remains as it is, 1 plus 1 by x differentiation minus 1 divided by x square, because 1 differentiation 0, 1 by x differentiation minus 1 divided by x square by using 1 divided by x raised to n formula. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Then dv by dx equal to p into 1 plus 1 by x into 1 by x minus log x divided by x square. dv by dx equal to, replace that v value, that is x power 1 plus 1 by x in bracket 1 plus 1 by x into 1 divided by x minus log x divided by x square. Take this as equation number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, look at equation number 1 and 2 and 3. Then what is dy by dx? From 1 to 3, dy by dx is nothing but du by dx plus dv by dx. Already we have du by dx as well as dv by dx. So it will be x plus 1 divided by x whole thing power x in bracket x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x, right? This is our equation number 2. Next, plus dv by dx. Our dv by dx is x power 1 plus 1 by x in bracket 1 plus 1 by x into 1 divided by x minus log x by x square. This is our required dy by dx. Such problems are important, right? Just practice it. Next, problem. Cos x power y is equal to, if cos x power y is equal to cos y power x, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Just try yourself. Clearly cos x power y is equal to cos y power x is given. In this case, sum of function to the power function is not given. Directly equal to sign is given. So directly taking log on both sides. Cos x power y is equal to cos y power x, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Then it will be log of cos x power y is equal to log of cos y power x. Then y into log cos x equal to x into log cos y. Now differentiate with respect to x. And differentiation use product rule. Y into, directly I will write differentiation of log cos x is minus tan x. Log cos x differentiation, 1 divided by cos x into cos x differentiation minus sin x by cos x is minus tan x, plus log cos x as it is, differentiation of y is y dash, equal to sign is there, equal to as it is, again x into log of cos y differentiation, again it will be minus tan y into y dash, plus log of cos y into 1. Use product rule here. Both the sides use product rule and differentiate. After differentiating, collect dy by dx term one side and other terms one side. right? Next, equal to sign is there. Collect these two terms one side and these two terms other side. Means we get log of cos x into y dash, and take this term into left side, plus, because here minus is there, take it into LHS, then it becomes plus x into tan y into y dash. Then these two terms one side is equal to log of cos y. Log cos y, keep it as it is, take this term into RHS, then it becomes plus tan x into y. Among these two terms take dy by dx common, then it will be log of cos x plus x into tan y is equal to log cos y plus tan x into y. dy by dx equal to log cos y plus tan x into y, whole thing divided by log cos x plus x into tan y. This is our required differentiation, right? With this problem I will conclude today's class. Thank you.